In this video, we will talk about different types of birds. Eagle is the common name for many large birds of prey of the family Accipitridae. Eagles belong to several groups of genera, some of which are closely related. Most of the 68 species of eagle are from Eurasia and Africa. Outside this area, just 14 species can be found, 2 in North America, 9 in Central and South America, and 3 in Australia. Owl. Owls are birds from the order Strigiformes, which includes over 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey typified by an upright stance, a large, broad head, binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons, and feathers adapted for silent flight. Exceptions include the diurnal northern hawk owl and the gregarious burrowing owl. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are part of the bird family Picidae, which also includes the piculets, wrynecks, and sapsuckers. Members of this family are found worldwide, except for Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand, Madagascar, and the extreme polar regions. Most species live in forests or woodland habitats, although a few species are known that live in treeless areas, such as rocky hillsides and deserts, and the Gila woodpecker specializes in exploiting cacti. Toucans. Toucans are members of the neotropical near-passerine bird family Ramphastidae. The Ramphastidae are most closely related to the American barbets. The family includes 5 genera and over 40 different species. The family includes 5 genera and over 40 different species. Ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds of the genus Struthio in the order Struthionoformes, part of the infraclass Paleognathii, a diverse group of flightless birds also known as ratites that includes the emus, rheas, and kiwis. There are 2 living species of ostrich, the common ostrich, native to large areas of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich, native to the Horn of Africa. The common ostrich was also historically native to the Arabian Peninsula, and ostriches were present across Asia as far east as Mongolia during the late Pleistocene and possibly into the Holocene. They lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. Cranes. Cranes are a family, the Gruidae, of large, long-legged, and long-necked birds in the group Gruiformes. The 15 species of cranes are placed in 3 genera: Antigone, Balearica, and Grus. Unlike the similar-looking but unrelated herons, cranes fly with necks outstretched, not pulled back. Cranes live on most continents, with the exception of Antarctica and South America. Kingfishers are a family, the Alcedinidae, of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds in the order Carassiformes. They have a cosmopolitan distribution, with most species found in the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Oceania, but also can be seen in Europe. They can be found in deep forests near calm ponds and small rivers. Peafowl. Peafowl, Pavocristatus, also known as the common peafowl and blue peafowl, is a peafowl species native to the Indian subcontinent. It has been introduced to many other countries. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks, and female peafowl are referred to as peahens, although both sexes are often referred to colloquially as a peacock, too. Parrot. Parrots, also known as psittacines, are birds of the roughly 398 species and 92 genera comprising the order Psittaciformes, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. The order is subdivided into three superfamilies: the Psittacoidea, true parrots, the Cacatuoidea, cockatoos, and the Strigopoidea, New Zealand parrots. 1/3 of all parrot species are threatened by extinction, with higher aggregate extinction risk, IUCN Red List Index, than any other comparable bird group. Parrots have a generally pantropical distribution, with several species inhabiting temperate regions in the southern hemisphere as well. The greatest diversity of parrots is in South America, 5, and Australasia. Penguins. Penguins, order Spheniciformes, family Sphenicida, are a group of aquatic flightless birds. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Only one species, the Galapagos penguin, is found north of the equator. Highly adapted for life in the water, penguins have countershaded dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are birds native to the Americas and comprise the biological family Trochilidae. With about 361 species and 113 genera, they occur from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego, but the vast majority of the species are found in the tropics around the equator. They are small birds, with most species measuring 7.5 to 13 centimeters, 3 to 5 in length.